But now the mother of the Veda, who is the mother of the Vedas? Gayatri Devi, Gayatri Mata. Gayatri Devi, Gayatri Mata. She heard the sound of Krishna's flute. Jago Kalam, Vamadrisham Manoharam. The Brahmins, the Dvijas, the twice born, initiated with Diksha, they chant the Brahma Gayatri. Om Bhurvavak Swa Tat Savitur Varenyam. And they chant that Brahma Gayatri, and it controls their mind. And they worship Tri Sandhyam Vandanam, Suve, Prabhat, and afternoon, Madhya, daytime, noon, and evening, with the Tri Sandhyam Vandanam, prayers at 3 times of the day, the Brahma Gayatri. And in the morning, they worship the Gayatri Devi in the form of Savitri, and they chant the Gayatri. In the afternoon, they worship Gayatri Mat in the form of Gayatri. Excuse me. In the morning, they worship Gayatri Devi in the form of Gayatri Devi. That's the Devi at the morning time receiving the Brahma Gayatri. In the noon, they worship Savitri. Then in the evening time, they worship Saraswati with the Brahma Gayatri. And by doing that, the Brahmins and the twice born, Kshatriyas, rather high class, Diksha, human beings who have received Diksha from Guru, by chanting that Brahma Gayatri, their minds become peaceful. The balance. It's called Trigunamayi Shamak. Trigunamayi Shamak mantra. The Trigunas become balanced. Because in the Tri Sandhyam, when the day shifts from night to morning, and from morning to noon, and then from afternoon to evening, there is a disturbance in the Trigunas. Trigunamayi dosh. Trigunamayi dosh. In the balance of the 3 modes of nature, Rajagun, Tamagun, Sattvagun, there's an imbalance due to the movements of the sun, position of the sun. It's dark and light at dawn, and it's too much bright light in the midday. In the afternoon, dark and night are competing for control of the earth. So then they sit peacefully, do Achman, take bath, do Achman, face the east or the north, and then they chant in front of the Shalagram or Thakurji. Then they become peaceful, balanced. The mind becomes balanced, the life airs, the Panchapran, and the mind becomes balanced by chanting Brahma Gayatri. This is Vedic culture. This is the purpose. So their minds cannot be Manoharam. But now, listen, this is most amazing, Chamatkar, that Gayatri Devi, she's the mother of the Vedas. She is being worshipped in 3 forms. Gayatri Devi is being worshipped in 3 forms when we chant Brahma Gayatri. She's being worshipped as Savitri, Gayatri, and Saraswati. The Shuddha Saraswati, Divya Saraswati, goddess of knowledge and auspiciousness. When she heard Jago Kalam Vamadrisham Manoharam, her mind, Gayatri Mata, Veda Mata, Gayatri Devi, her mind became Manoharam. Enchanted, captivated, seducted by Krishna's flute sound. And that flute sound of the Jago Kalam carries the Klim Bij. The Klim Bij, the seed of romantic desire, entered the ears of Gayatri Mata, Gayatri Devi, Savitri, Gayatri Mata, the mother of the Vedas, and entered her ears and created desire for romance, desire for amorous relationship with Swayam Bhagavan Sri Krishna. And she expressed this, and she did austerities to fulfill her desire to be a gopi or to reciprocate with that desire to love Krishna. And then she manifested herself in this world, Gayatri Mata, as the Gopal Tapani Upanishad. Gayatri Devi, she manifested herself and took the form of an Upanishad called Gopal Tapani, which is all about Gopal. All about Gopal, Vrindavan, Krishna, Gopinath. And it's all about his Kam Bij and all about his Kam Gayatri. So she expresses her love and her intimate romantic aspirations by becoming the description of the lilas and the meaning of the Kam Bij and Kam Gayatri contained in her literary expansion as the Gopal Tapani Upanishad. This is another example of Tat Venam Trilokyam Samohitam. So that Jago Kalam, not only is he Manoharam stealing the minds of the gopis, but he's stealing the minds of Gayatri Mata and the greatest rishis. But he's not stealing our minds. No way, Krishna, you can't steal my mind. This is very beautiful tattva, very beautiful points we're hearing on this Jagokalam. Is your mind getting enchanted by this discussion? Go like this, yes. Is it creating a desire to love Krishna and fly off to Krishna and run away to Krishna? I hope so. I stand here in Vrindavan at the Rasastali on behalf of Lord Krishna with open arms saying, Swagatam, Swagatam, one and all. Come one, come all, Swagatam. Come to Vrindavan.